Techie Club includes national computer science standards for middle school and elementary school children. 21st century skills today. We've got robots, okay? Not only do we do robots, we do coding. And then we also do robots as well. And then instead of robots, sometimes we do computer hardware, 3D printing. But in the end of the day, we also do robots. Some of these students have never had the opportunity to maybe interface with these technologies. Maybe their home life or their school lives haven't provided those opportunities, and this allows them to get exposure to it. When you think about Techie Club, you think about, the technology skills, like, they're gonna play with robots, they're gonna learn to code and things like that. But there's a lot more than that. There's leadership, there's learning to play nice with your peers, there's interacting with adults who aren't teachers, by the way. They maybe don't have those skills that teachers have, so there's a certain level of, adult-like interaction that they maybe will get in there that they wouldn't get otherwise. So I work in innovation today, and I think almost everything we do in TechCore can be related to innovation, because it's all about not only empowering individuals to learn new skills and new concepts, but also use them in novel ways to learn and create. Some of the most rewarding things that we do there is teaching these children something new, something creative, something exciting. TechCore, in a lot of ways, bridges those divides. So you see some of these lessons that come from totally different areas that normally wouldn't be covered in academia, and then these kids get exposed to it and they learn things that can be valuable to them, maybe not immediately, although in some cases it can, immediately and in the future. So in a lot of ways, I look at TechCore as a way to help students grow.